Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. It is a beautiful day here in Atlanta. Well, today I want to share with you about making your audio sound beautiful. I am recording this video with my GoPro Hero 7 Black, not using any microphone, and obviously you can get a boom mic, but I got the Lavalier mic by PowerDeWise sent to me. To kit, I'll put a link where you get more information. It comes with a standard 6-foot cable, but then you can add an extender for another 6 feet so you can stand further back. So I'm going to stand back in a second. But if you wanted to be able to stand further away from the GoPro and still have audio, then this might help. Obviously, you need the GoPro adapter as well with the 3.5mm connection. So let me go ahead and plug it in right now so you can hear. I thought being outside too would give you an idea as far as sounds and what it picks up. In the background, we got a lot of nature sounds, all the birds chirping away. So let me go ahead and plug it in and give you an idea of the quality of the sound of the microphone. Okay, so now I've got the Lavalier mic connected, so this will give you an idea what it sounds like. As you can see, I am standing about 12 feet back from the camera, and this will give you an idea of the audio, the sounds that it's picking up from nature, and really give you an idea of how you can improve your audio if you are looking to stand further back if you're using your GoPro Hero 7 Black camera, or in fact, you probably can do this with the other GoPro Hero cameras as well. What I do like about the Lavalier mic is you can adjust and turn the clip, so depending upon what you're wearing and the direction you want, so that's nice as well. But I've been pleased with the audio. I've tested this now on my Canon M50, also my iPad Mini 5, and then yesterday my Google Pixel 4 XL. So you're getting all the different types of cameras that you can use this with, and let me know what you think of the audio. So I'll put a link in the description again where you can get the information on this Lavalier mic, and I hope this video is of help to you if you are looking to improve your audio with the PowerDeWise Lavalier mic. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks for watching and enjoy this weather. Take care.